Turkey is full of secrets, some of which you'll find in its streets and markets, others in its flavors thanks to its spices. Today I bring you an aromatic soup with a fresh touch, perfect for any day when you need something homemade, warm, and flavorful. It will transport you to the streets of Istanbul. Choose your subtitles. Ingredients in the description. 1 cup red lentils, 2/3 cup rice, 1/4 cup bulgur, half red onion, 1 carrot, 1 liter meat broth, half teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon salt, 3 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons dried mint leaves, half teaspoon sumac. Spicy oil, 2 garlic cloves, 1½ teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon chili, half cup olive oil.